Welcome. Today we'll explore why rosemary is a must-have in your hair and skincare routine. First, let's talk about hair growth. Rosemary oil can stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, promoting natural hair growth. It also helps reduce hair loss by strengthening hair follicles. Rosemary can prevent thinning and keep your locks healthy. Struggling with dandruff? Rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties can help combat scalp irritation and reduce dandruff. Now, let's move to skincare. Rosemary's antibacterial properties can help fight acne and prevent breakouts for clearer skin. Want youthful skin? The antioxidants in rosemary protect against free radicals, helping to reduce wrinkles and keep your skin firm. Rosemary also improves skin hydration, locking in moisture and soothing irritated skin for a healthy glow. You can easily make rosemary hair oil at home. Simply mix rosemary with a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, and massage it into your scalp for healthy hair. Try making a refreshing rosemary facial mist. Combine water and a few drops of rosemary oil for an instant hydration boost. Before you start using rosemary, remember to do a patch test to check for any skin sensitivity. Consult a dermatologist if you have concerns. Incorporate rosemary into your beauty routine for vibrant hair and glowing skin. Thanks for watching.